Good morning, class. Let's begin with chapter 5 of Human Geography book. That is, the name of the chapter is Primary Activities. So, in the following chapters, we'll do the secondary activity, the tertiary activity, and the quaternary and quinary activities. So, the fifth chapter is all about primary activities. Now, primary activities are those activities which are directly connected or dependent on the environment. The country which has more number of people engaged in primary activity is less developed, and the countries which have lesser of primary activities, they are more developed. So primary activities are of many types. I'm sure you can think of many primary activities like agriculture is an example. Now if you've given you the example of agriculture, you can automatically guess the other primary activities. Yes, mining is another primary activity, then pastoralism, herding, all this are primary activities. Now, this chapter deals with all the primary activities in detail and distinguishes one primary activity from other. Like example, you should know the difference between the agriculture and mining, or you can be asked the difference between commercial livestock rearing and nomadic. These are all subtypes, so there is a lot of classification of the primary activities. I'll explain you the primary activities in the beginning. First, I'll tell you with the help of a flow chart all the primary activities, so the whole chapter will be clear to you, the content of the chapter, and then after that we'll study in detail about each primary activity. So let's continue. Let's continue with the primary activities classification. I've drawn a flow chart to explain you all the primary activities which will be covered in the chapter. So the first one, which was practiced by the early man, or which was developed for the first time on the planet, was hunting and gathering. So first primary activity is hunting, gathering. The next one is pastoralism. Now this pastoralism also has two subtypes: nomadic herding, commercial livestock rearing. This is the two subtypes of pastoralism. The next primary activity is agriculture. Now this also has various, it is divided into various types, classified into various types, that also we'll study in detail. So first agriculture is subsistence agriculture, that is further subdivided into primitive, subsistence. Now this primitive and intensive again divided into dominated by wet paddy cultivation, dominated by other crops other than paddy. I'll say again, agriculture first is subsistence subdivided into primitive subsistence agriculture, intensive subsistence. This subdivided into dominated by wet paddy cultivation, dominated by other crops. The next is plantation agriculture. After that, these are the other ones: collective farming, mixed farming, extensive commercial grain cultivation, cooperative farming, dairy farming, horticulture, and Mediterranean. So you don't have to remember, you will not be asked a question classified like this. This is just a flow chart to get you to clear yourself that what is the content of this chapter, the primary activities. The last one after agriculture is the fourth primary activity which we'll be covering is mining, or the miners are engaged in mining. Now about all these activities, everything, we'll know the features of all the primary activities, the characteristics, the specialities, and we'll be studying the primary activities in reference to the world. Means we'll be you'll know by the end of the chapter which countries are practicing which primary activity, or in which part of the world you will find which primary activity. Along with the map work also you will be knowing. So a lot of map work, lot of classification, but still an easy chapter. Now in the next class I'll explain you all the primary activities in detail with pictures and with maps. So to get this chapter very clear across to you. That's enough for today. Thank you. Have a very nice day.